Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Shark Clean Sense IQ 500. This is the 500 square foot air purifier, and if you're in search of an air purifier that's compact, smart, and efficient, feel free to watch this video because I'm going to go into detail on why I think this is probably the best compact air purifier out there. So right off the bat, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I review a variety of different air purifiers. I've got another one here, is by Winix, and I've reviewed a variety of other air purifiers here on the channel. So let's jump into this air purifier here. This one is designed for spaces up to 500 square feet, so ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. I use it for my entire unit apartment. So it does a pretty good job when you have it on medium or high setting to clear out the whole apartment. It does take some time. However, for like a 600 or 700 square foot unit, it does a pretty good job. The HEPA filtration, this one uses the True HEPA filter with nano seal technology. So it captures roughly around 99.98% of airborne particles, as small as 0.1 and 0.2 microns. So that includes dust, allergens, and dander. The cool thing about this is it has a clean sense IQ. So there's a built-in air quality sensor that monitors the air. And let me go ahead and click on right here. Just click on that power button. You can see right here, it's gonna be able to show you guys what's the percentage of the air quality within this room. And it's in real time. So, and it also adjusts the fan speed to maintain optimal air quality. So right now it is pretty clean, it's 100%. So it's gonna go pretty low, but you get instant feedback, which is great. It also has an odor lock, so it has an activated carbon inside the filter area that neutralizes household odors and organic compounds. And I'm gonna go ahead and stay quiet here so you can hear how quiet this fan is. Go ahead and put level 2. Level 3. And the maximum. It also has an auto feature right here that if the air is dirty, it will automate the air quality. You also have a timer, you have a lock feature, you also have a ability to press the light right here for nighttime. And in my opinion, this is a great compact air purifier. It's very simple, easy filter changes, compact, very lightweight for design and portability. In my opinion, it's done a great job in terms of my allergies, helping this room smell great. And the filter life, it's about 6 to 12 months for the filter with continuous use, but replacements can be pretty pricey, which is one of the downsides. About $70 to $90 for a small air filter for this unit. The other thing is the cable. The cable, it's long, but not really that long. So, you know, that's the thing. If some folks wanted a long cable, this is not it. However, if you see the Winix, it's a little bit longer, but it is a bigger one. Not too bad of a length. This is Energy Star certified for efficient operations. And let's go into the pros and cons real quick. Like I said, pros, excellent air purification, real-time air quality display, as you can see right there. Compact, portable, easy to use and maintain, and very effective for allergies and odors. The cons, again, the replacement filters, very costly, very loud, as you could hear on the very high speeds. Only one air change per hour, no app, no smart features. And the other thing is, if you want to be able to carry this, there's no really grip here on the sides that provide the ability to grip it by one hand and carry it somewhere. It's just the way it is, unfortunately. So my final thoughts on this is, as a strong performer for those needing reliable air purification in a small, medium-sized space, it's smart sensing, it has the HEPA filtration, and ease of use make it a very favorite upon myself and many users out there. So if you guys want something like this, I'll leave a link down below in the description so you may purchase it. And comment down below if you tried this air purifier or another air purifier out there. I want to hear your thoughts. With that said, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.